Thank you very much. Very good morning, Madam President, Professor, Excellency, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chun Kong. I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Hydrology and Water Resources Engineering at ITC. Allow me to share in short about our faculty and then go to the perspective and the discussion point from yesterday. A brief on the number of our faculty staff. We have now 38 staff, which I think is quite high compared to other with 21 PhD holders and 12 master degree holder, which graduated from various countries as mentioned in the P chart there, and from Thailand, Philippines, Japan, France, Belgium, Spain, Indonesia, and Korea and Cambodia for the senior engineering. And current student on 2025, we have around 280, and including technician program and engineering program. Currently, we have a double degree program, where one with Hohai University, which is student graduate year 4, and then they can go to Hohai and get 1 degree from ITC and 1 degree from Hohai for master. And another degree program with the degree with Griffith University also for the international engineering program of sustainable engineering and business. Allow me to highlight what is our existing program right now. The first three program highlight here is administered by our faculty, starting from associate program of water supply and plumbing, and our program actively on engineering, which is a 5-year program we call water environmental engineering and water resource engineering and rural infrastructure. And our international program called Sustainable Engineering Business, which is collaborate with Griffith. And the other two graduate program is under the graduate school of ITC. As mentioned here, all the program have a supporting laboratory mentioned here, around 8 laboratory research and also student practices along with. For water environmental engineering, we focus on wastewater management, treatment, water supply, purification, waste management, recycling, and air pollution assessment, and other environmental pollution control. For the water resources engineering and rural infrastructures, we give the competence for the student on hydraulic structure, water resources assessment, rural road construction, disaster management, climate change impact, and also GIS remote sensing technology. Allow me to share about the number of graduate employment and continuing study. I think in our faculty of hydrology water resources, we maintain the 100% each year for the employability rate. And significantly this year we have increasing for the student go to the public institutions working, more than 10 of them with the contract staff, and still private sector is consume more, about 80%. And significantly for the continuing studying at our faculty, we maintain the highest number at ITC. This year, 44 students is studying abroad. Staff upgrading and capacity building is one of our main priority action for our faculty as well. You can see significantly the graph on the left-hand side, the number of lecturers from our faculty, which is increasing the number of PhD. This is now we have 21 PhD and 12 master program, and the 4 are the engineering degree. They are working for our faculty. And the number of mission I mentioned here as like a short-term training for our lecturers starting to increase after the COVID. So until now we have 16, but there will be increasing more in 2025 here. Also highlight a little bit on the student internship at our faculty. We have a significant number this from 2024 until now. We have 11 student internship in our faculty. because our faculty, the staff also joined the research, and also we group up them into different group or different research. We call research lab, and this map showing that where they are working for on the water environment related sector and research and also project development. For example, like a team from our faculty as well, we work for the Private Authority on the conservation and restoration of Private Temple, and also Koke. Koke now the team from soil science and the team from water management, they are also joining together for helping in the Koke Temple, which is risk to the flood and also other hazard which is concerning for this our treasure. And particularly, you see our partner and also the team working on the coastal very actively. That's linked to what we are planning for the Coastal Research Center for Cambodia to be created. I think this slide is very important for looking the past and current and the future vision of our faculty program. I can divide it into three sections. The first one, I can say before 2017, our faculty from Rural Engineering Department, we focus only how we have water for the agriculture. So it's more focusing on irrigation engineering. But the second phase, I can say from 2017 until now, we move from only thinking how to have water, but we have to manage the water and including how we make the water better quality also for the people to use. And how about the future perspective for our faculty? We move it into smart engineering and water management, sustainability and green engineering, and there will be some more program focusing on circular economic and integrated water resources management. This will require digital technology integrated into our program for water management and resilient infrastructure. So in sum, what we plan to do by 2030. Of course, now we are expanding, providing the service package to our partner, also the industry and also NGO. Of course, we are not to forget our two engineering program to be accredited by 2017 and improve training for the need, promote international program of sustainable engineering business. This is actually we launching last year, but we have a limited number of registration. So we start to think how we can promote it, and some of our members also suggested to move on this. Attract students to become more water specialists by organizing the event and promoting women in water specialists. And we have done some of already 9 events in 2014 to promote on the engineering for waters. And we join with with a research center, also with unit of research on water environment to establish the Cambodian Coastal Research Center. This will be elaborated by Dr. Murli from Research Center. And we also have perspective to create a groundwater lab at IG. As you know that now Ministry of Water Resources start to think how we can work together on the groundwater as one of the main another alternative source for surface water to be complement for what the need for the agriculture and also domestic. Establish Hydro Smart Tech Lab. This is aligned to what our vision for moving our program into the more technological advancement for water resources management. And creating more program, new program, even engineering or master, which related to that our vision. So what else that will be discussing later. So yesterday discussion from our member, this is all the topic. Before discussion, we need to define what is our challenge. So our challenge for our faculty more on the student enrollment, like in the technician program. Why not to discuss engineering master and also PhD for the field of water, and we promote how we promote the engineering international engineering program, exchange student mobility, the ball degree, establishment of postdoc research center, groundwater, and also capacity of the researcher. So thank you very much for your attention.